Holmarc's black enclosures feature a sturdy aluminium frame combined with 2 to 3 mm thick transparent acrylic panels that provide 95% visibility. The frame is finished with a durable black powder coating for a sleek appearance. Users can choose between hinged or sliding front doors for easy access. Side panels are secured using rubber beading inside the frame slots, ensuring a tight fit. 2 cable ports with end caps are located on the back, allowing convenient wiring. Mounting clamps are included for secure attachment to breadboards. With customized sizes available, these enclosures are ideal for labs, optical setups, and research applications. Holmarc's black enclosures. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.